I have to wipe off compound. They're really busy, so I think I'm just gonna do it myself. So we'll see how I'm gonna get on top of this ripping. Can I get a rag with taking off compound? Thank you. I'm gonna have to use the wheel. But first you take everything out of your pockets. Because that's the way to do it. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna need a chair. Actually, I'm gonna use this to step on so that I can reach what I need. See that? All right, I got the compound off. All right, let's roll the wheel back in. Nobody will even know I used it. We got a bunch of cars dropped off like in the middle of the week, which is always nice. But when I'm trying to get a bunch of cars out on Friday, kind of messes me up some. So this windshield, a tree fell on this car. I have a feeling that the dashboard is going to be damaged, like where the heads-up display is. So we're trying to get it out right now to see, but I'm gonna guess it's probably damaged. So if you see, like right here, it got smashed by a tree, and then the heads-up display is right behind it. I hope not, because Range Rover parts take a long time, and I can only imagine what a dashboard, you know, ETA on that. I have a feeling that the freaking, like the heads-up display is damaged. So I'm having them pull it right now, and then we'll check it.
We gotta take a look at that dash.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I bet it's damaged.
Says he's ready to go, so he just needs
a body.
Body.
And Brandon's busy.
Little E? Professor? Get Popeyes on the way.
Could we tell him for Monday though?
Oh, he's freaking out. He wants to pick it up tomorrow.
How the hell am I gonna wash all these cars?
How many cars you got?
I still have Stephen J's, I still have Cadillac. Still have A3, and it's 2 o'clock. Okay, who am I gonna send to the dealer? Such a long drive. Yeah, we have to pick up a car. This also is what sucks. You can only have so many people on your team, and when we have to transport a car, pick one up, it's just such an inconvenience. I think I got an idea. All right, let's go see if Brandon can work late. I'm gonna go pick up an A3 right now, and that's just a wash, okay? And then Q8 we still have to do. But BMW we're almost done with. Can you make sure to get those done? And tomorrow, can you come in? Tomorrow, that's it, but I want you to finish it. Finish it tomorrow so we do not have to do anything on Monday. Okay? All right, thank you. All right, handle. No problem is too big on a Friday. Okay? Taken care of. Sometimes you need to like ask for favors. And I rarely ever ask them to stay late. I hate asking my guys, and like I hate telling them like, oh, you have 15 things to do. Sometimes we just need to make it happen.
what's currently going on is we've got a $7,000 molding. This one here that won't come off, and we have to get it off.
How much is the door? So we can cut the door like this with the
Cut a hole in the door.
No,
Don't cut a hole in the door.
metal fucking shit. And that is still on. I got a feeling there is some pins and shit there.
There's like a metal pin and stuff.
Yeah, we stuck here on something.
It's a $7,000 molding.
No, your uncle say it's 5. Now you come here with a 7,000 bullshit.
I've never broken wire like that.
Who works on Aston Martins?
Us?
That's it.
So we're trying to get a molding off of a DBX, and it's on so well. Who made it Aston Martin? German?
No, England.
English! The English made a very good car because it even broke our wire. It's fucking impressive.
Hello guys, my name is Jaden here at the Ultimate Paint Shop in Highland Park. You guys have probably seen my beautiful mother right here. So today we got this brand new M4, pretty much right off of the trailer. Like, just look at how big that screen is. It's a beauty. Everything is so nice in this car. This will be my #1 car when I'm older. I'm sorry if you guys are hearing a bunch of wind. Look at this front end, it's so aggressive. Look at that color. Everything on this car is put to perfection. Oh, I love them, especially M4s. Oh, and this is not your regular M4. It's a competition. These cool keys to this M4 that we just got. And I forgot to say it, but happy Monday. Brandon's gonna take this car and he's gonna show us how this sounds. We need to put some Corsa performance on this. Too quiet. Way too quiet. Let's go see where my mom is. I don't know where she's been lately. She's probably in her office. Who knows? Not in here. Have you seen my mom?
She was over here. She was Lily. I think they went that way.
Have you seen my mom? I finally found my mom.
Hi.
See? She's always running away from me.
No, I was not running away from you. I was trying to get everybody situated.
Or was she? Dun dun dun.
This is so nice. Do you like the orange interior?
Yeah. I do.
No. This would look better if it was all carbon.
There's so much carbon in this on the seats and stuff.
So we're gonna pre-wash it and then we're gonna PPF the whole thing.
Yeah.
That'll look good. Oh, it smells new.
And there's so much carbon. Oh,
Yeah.
look at, we got the screen. We finally got the screen to go.
This is what you want when you're older?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna actually PPF the back of these too. Because he has, this customer has kids and you don't want your kids' feet all up on your carbon fiber seats.
No, you do not.
Just another Tuesday. Money, don't you worry. Let's go check something out real quick. Hey guys, Joanna here from the Ultimate Paint Shop. Let's go take a look at what's going on in the shop. We got a 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and over here we also have a 911 Carrera 4. Let's go take a look at what else is in here. We got Sean doing a couple of wet sand and buffing on some parts for a Toyota that we have here. Obviously, we're giving our customers the expectation of having that factory finish for them. I'm really sorry for the background noise. There's a fan going on. That essentially is for our paint booth. The painters are busy currently painting in something, so disregard the crazy noise in the back. showing the RS6 wagon damage, and unfortunately, we're still waiting on parts for this thing. We ordered some suspension components that we're still waiting on coming from Germany, and as you can tell, it's still in the same condition that it is. This guy, Bentley, still here also. I've been waiting for a supplement for 2 weeks from an insurance company. Nothing can do. Adjusters are nowhere to be seen. We have one of our customers' vehicles that we actually just finished painting. He did have some damage down here. He accidentally hit like a little lower pole rail that he didn't see when he was coming out of a spot, scratched it by accident, then came back. And he's like, Joanna, I'm back. This one's a total. This one just came in. Now, people always complain, how is my car such a total so quick? It has low miles. I will say this, anything under 2020 usually totals out pretty quickly. And also, the lower the miles your vehicle has, insurance company sees it as a more valuable aspect. So I always tell people, please drive your cars, enjoy the car for what it is. Let's go bug Jeremy. Jeremy! Jeremy? Where's Jeremy? You're supposed to be working. Look at all these cars. Not touch, not touch, not touch. I'm just joking. He's one of our best techs. So I'm sure he's around. He's probably in the shit. Jeremy, you taking a shit? He's taking a shit. You don't even want to answer. Let's take a quick glimpse at what Chris is working on. He's working on one of my customers' 2026 911s. Take a look. Sorry, I was doing some Ace Ventura. Coming out from the hippo. Or not that, you know what I'm talking about. I think he's serious. He didn't like that. But that's okay. This is what happens and why we have a buffer after this, because when I do something like this and there's dirt nips in the paint, it can be fixed. It doesn't need to be repainted. Oh yeah, and that one is still here from last time.